Have you ever wondered how bridges hold up all the cars and trucks that drive over them? Let's find out how. This is a bridge, and it has to be really strong to hold up all these cars. Bridges are made from special materials and designs that make them super strong. Bridges have beams and supports underneath them. These help spread out the weight of the cars so that no single part gets too heavy. Some bridges have arches. Arches help spread out the weight and keep the bridge from falling down. It's like how your toys stay in place on a shelf. When a car drives onto the bridge, the beams and supports help hold up the weight. The bridge is strong and keeps the car safe as it goes over. There are different kinds of bridges, like suspension bridges and beam bridges. Each type uses different designs to make sure they can hold up heavy traffic. Sometimes, bridges might bend a little when lots of cars are on them. That's okay. The bridge is built to handle this and stay strong. See? The cars drive over the bridge and it holds them up just right. The strong beams and smart design make sure the bridge doesn't fall. Now you know how bridges hold up cars. They use strong materials and smart designs to keep everything safe. Thanks for learning with me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.